This 2TB Delkin CFexpress card is so fast, it might time travel. But seriously, it's insane. Ever spend hours waiting for your massive video files to transfer, only for the card to choke halfway through? Yeah, we've all been there: frozen progress bars, corrupted clips, missed shots, and a burning desire to chuck your memory card out the window. You're shooting 8K RAW magic, but your current card's acting like it still lives in 2012. It's frustrating. It's stressful. And let's be honest, it's killing your creative vibe. Why pour heart, soul, and budget into cinematic gear only to let your storage hold you hostage? Now crank that frustration to 11. You're mid-shoot, the perfect take happens, and boom, buffer full. Footage lost. Deadlines looming. Post-production bottlenecked because your card took 3 centuries to offload. You're not just risking time, you're risking your reputation. Your client's breathing down your neck, your editor's rage texting, and you're wondering why a pro-grade card can't keep up with pro-level work. You deserve gear that performs like your career depends on it, because it does. Enter the Delkin 2TB CFexpress Type B 4.0 memory card, the pixel-devouring monster you didn't know you needed. With burst write speeds up to 3,240 megabytes per second, sustained writes at 1,420 megabytes per second, and offload speeds up to a blistering 3,650 megabytes per second, it doesn't just keep up with your workflow, it dares you to go faster. Shoot 8K RAW at high frame rates? No sweat. Transfer terabytes in record time? Done. Compatible with Canon, Nikon, Fujifilm, Blackmagic, Panasonic, this thing is the Swiss Army knife of speed demons. No stuttering. No buffering. Just full throttle, fail-proof storage. The Delkin Power CFexpress isn't just a card, it's your new creative enabler. Its rugged build laughs in the face of water, shock, extreme heat, or accidental drops. Backed by a 48-hour replacement guarantee and lifetime warranty, it's as fearless as you are. Whether you're a battle-hardened videographer, an indie filmmaker chasing light, or a wedding photographer with zero margin for error, this card's for you. Simplified workflows, buttery fast edits, and no more card drama. Tap the link to unleash your gear's true potential. Don't wait until your current card betrays you mid-shoot. Join thousands of pros who've upgraded and never looked back. Supplies move fast, just like this beast of a card. If you're serious about your craft, this isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Seize the speed. Crush deadlines. Trust your gear. Hit that button now and give your camera the partner it deserves. This 2TB Delkin CFexpress 4.0 card is not just next gen, it's now.